Good morning, room 218. Today is Monday, and our story today on Monday is going to be in English. This is the front cover, portada, spine, espina, back cover, contraportada. Okay, these are the parts of the book. The title of our story, título, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. I'm going to open my book, one page at a time, to the first page where we begin to read. I'm going to use my finger to follow along so that I know where to start reading and that I stay on track. A told B and B told C, "I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree." There they are, A, B, C. Turn the page. "Whee!" said D to E, F, G. "I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree." Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. What letters do you see on this page? And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming, LMNOP. I have a question for you guys. Do you think there's going to be enough room at the top of the coconut tree? Let's find out. And QRS and TUV. Still more. W and XYZ. The whole alphabet up the oh no, what's happening? Look at the tree. What happened to it? With all the letters up there. Oh no. Chicka chicka boom boom. All the letters. Look what happened. The tree bent and it fell over. They were too heavy. Skit scat scoodle dot. Flip flop flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. "Help us up!" cried ABC. Oh no, they were stuck all the way at the bottom because they were the first ones on. Next from the pile up, skinned knee D and stubbed toe E and patched up F. Then comes G, out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped. N is stooped. O is twisted. Alley-oop. Skit scat scoodle doot. Flip flop flee. Look who's coming. It's black-eyed P. QRS and loose tooth T. Then UVW, wiggle jiggle free. Last one to come, XYZ. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But, chicka chicka boom boom. Look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. And there is our alphabet, el alfabeto. The end.